We were foreigners far away, strangers to the Father's heart, separated by our sin, without hope from the start. But mercy found us, grace called our name. But now we are children of the living God. But now no more strangers, no more foreigners. Born again by grace through faith, Jesus made a way for us. We belong forever. We are sons and daughters of God. On Christ, the cornerstone, we are temples of His Spirit. We are never left alone. We are chosen, we are holy, we are loved forevermore. Heirs with Jesus, full of promise, standing strong forevermore. We belong to you forever, Jesus. You have made us one. No more strangers, no more orphans. We are your children, we are your own. But now we are children of the living God. But now no more strangers, no more foreigners. Born again by grace through faith, Jesus is our cornerstone. We belong forever. We are sons and daughters of God. No more strangers, no more foreigners. Oh, we belong to you. We are sons and daughters.